In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and WP Engine for high performance WordPress hosting. If you manage client sites, online stores, or business critical WordPress platforms, hosting performance matters a lot. A slow site can hurt user experience, reduce conversions, and weaken search visibility. Cloudways and WP Engine are two major premium options, but they take very different approaches. One gives you more direct control over cloud resources, while the other gives you a highly managed, polished environment. So, in this walkthrough, we'll compare how they work, what limits matter most, how to launch on the Cloudways path, when WP Engine may be the better fit, and how to do a final post launch check. First, it's important to understand the core technical difference. Cloudways sits on top of cloud providers and gives you an isolated virtual server environment with dedicated resources. That means you can adjust settings like PHP behavior, caching choices, and background jobs with much more freedom. WP Engine works differently. It's a fully managed platform built for WordPress where most of the optimization happens behind the scenes. You're not managing the server directly. Instead, you're working inside a controlled environment designed for convenience and stability. Next, let's look at scalability. WP Engine plans are structured around fixed allowances, including traffic caps and site limits on lower tiers. If your site grows beyond those limits, additional costs can come into play, and hosting more websites usually means moving to a higher plan. Cloudways is more flexible in that area. You're mainly working within the actual capacity of your server, so there are no artificial visitor limits in the same way, and you can run multiple WordPress installs as long as your resources support them. Performance under load is another key factor. On WP Engine, lower plans may limit the number of concurrent PHP processes, which can affect dynamic activity during traffic spikes. Cloudways relies more directly on your allocated server resources, and its stack is built for speed with tools like nginx, Apache, Varnish, Memcached, and Redis support on qualifying server sizes. If Cloudways sounds like the right fit, open your dashboard and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized option, then select DigitalOcean and the premium server type for faster storage performance. Set the server size to 2 gigabytes of RAM or higher. Choose the data center closest to your audience and launch the server. Provisioning usually finishes within a few minutes. If you prefer a more hands-off experience, WP Engine may be the better option. You simply sign in, create a new WordPress environment, and let the platform handle backups, CDN delivery, plugin update automation, and manage support. If you launched on Cloudways, go into your application settings and open Domain Management. Enter your domain and set it as primary. Then open SSL certificate, enter your admin